We have asked for it for a long time, but now we finally have a new way to sign up for AirPods betas in iOS 26, and it is super easy. So I want to take a few minutes in today's video to show you exactly how to do it. This should be very short and sweet. All you're going to need to do when you unlock your phone and you go ahead and pair your AirPods and get them synced as such, you're going to be able now to just go into settings, and where you have your little AirPods Pro settings, when you scroll down near the bottom, you will actually see a new option that says AirPods Beta Updates. When you select this, it is now a toggle right in here that will allow you to get the pre-release beta firmwares. And as you can see, it says here, firmware updates will be installed when your AirPods are in their charging case and nearby this iPhone. The AirPods firmware update is a pre-release software update. Your participation in this program is subject to the license terms under blah, blah, blah. This is much simpler and so much easier now to get in on these betas. And now, with all of these changes that are in iOS 26 and in AirPods, I think this is going to be an awesome new addition. This will help you start your camera controls and things like that Apple did announce being in these changes here. And if you look in your AirPods settings here, not only does it totally look revamped as well with that new design language, you can see that you will eventually get those changes and new tweaks to control your camera, to be able to use studio control mics, all of that right in here. So I haven't actually had this updated yet. I just turned this on, but you will see in your versioning that the update has taken place, and you will have a new pop-up also explaining to you what is new in those AirPods beta. So I think this is going to be very nice to see once you have the ability, especially if you make podcasts and things like this. If you're controlling something and you actually click on an AirPod bud to pinch and actually get something going, you can start and stop your captures right in your camera. I think that alone is going to be a nice addition instead of having to walk over and try to select everything you need and then walk back or set a timer. This will make it a little quicker and easier to operate. But these are just my thoughts on it. Again, it's super quick and super easy to get going. So this will work for AirPods Pro 2. It'll work for regular AirPods 4. Newer models will get those newer features. Not every feature will be available in the beta. However, you can use the same trick now, regardless of models, to be able to get into the beta itself. So we have a ton more coverage coming up in regards to iOS 26. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see in the comments below, and we'll make sure to do a follow-up video on that for you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.